Welcome to the DIY Pro Guy channel. I'm going to teach you how to plant a tree the right way. Planting a tree is not only a fulfilling and a rewarding experience, but also crucial for our environment. So let's get started. Did you know that with the right planting techniques, you can boost tree growth by up to 5 times? Today, we will reveal rapid growth secrets that will help your trees thrive and reach their full potential in no time. 1. Choose the right location. Select a spot with plenty of sunlight and well-drained soil. Avoid areas with excessive shade or standing water. 2. Dig a proper planting hole. Make it 2 to 3 times wider than the root ball and just as deep. This allows the roots to spread out and establish themselves easily. 3. Loosen the roots gently. Prior to planting, carefully untangle any root-bound areas to encourage new growth outward and prevent circling roots. 4. Mix in organic matter. Before placing the tree in the hole, add compost or aged manure to enrich the soil, providing essential nutrients for rapid growth. Here's a pro tip number 5 when planting a tree. For effortless tree root watering, use a PVC pipe. I recommend a 1 inch in diameter and up. With this method, you can provide nourishment directly to the root zone, ensuring your trees stay healthy and vibrant. Number 6. Water deeply and mulch. After planting, give your tree a thorough watering and apply a layer of organic mulch around the base. This helps retain moisture and keeps competing weeds at bay. For number 7, the last pro tip, provide regular care, water your tree deeply during dry spells, and fertilize it annually. Avoid excessive pruning, as it could stress the tree and slow down growth. By following these proven planting techniques, you can help your tree grow up to 5 times faster, allowing you to enjoy its beauty and benefits sooner. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful DIY tips and tricks. Happy planting!
We'll be right back.